Hey guys, this is my latest renovation project that I worked on. I helped an owner of an apartment building renovate a 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and that's important. So you see 1 bathroom here, and that's the sink. It's a single sink. What I did was I installed a double sink, and I extended it. You can see it's very extended. Much more, and double mirrors, double lights, double faucets, all that stuff. I really wanted to wow people so that if they were thinking of renting a 2-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, they might rethink that option. And we're gonna replace all that tile with this tile. It's outstanding, and you can see also a glass door. Whenever you add a glass door, the clear glass looks more expensive instead of the frosted. You could also see the hole in the wall that we added for soap. The one mistake we did do here is the backsplash we did here first, and we did it before we decided on the backsplash for the kitchen. Or rather, the owner thought we were going to stick with this backsplash for the kitchen, and then he changed his mind and went with a green backsplash, so it didn't match this, which sucks. And we are located below the Hollywood sign, so there's lots of tourists here. So this is a very expensive area, and the owner wanted to remodel it so that he could get a lot more money. Before, on the left, it's a dark picture. I apologize. I forgot to lighten it before putting it in my editing program, but the wood floors are very dull. They're not the shiny wood floors on the right. That's what we had to refurbish the floors. Also on the right, you can see in the mirror that one of the walls is accented orange. We did do that. Replaced the light with a fan. Just kind of brought everything together. And the walls are a very, very light gray. Now here's the before of the other room. And dull floors. And what we did was we accented one wall an aqua color, added the ceiling fan, white ceiling, gray walls, refinished the wood floors. Here's a better picture with the closets. It looks really nice. It's amazing place. People like accented walls. It's a designer's look, and we did hire a designer to do this, but we had to cut corners versus what she wanted to do so that it wasn't out of control cost. Now here's the living room. Same wood floors. They're very dull. And the walls are just white everywhere. You can see an island of the kitchen right in the corner. We'll get to the kitchen after. Nothing special. And then very, very old AC, which we replaced with a new one. And it has a beautiful view into the courtyard with a lot of bamboo. And here's the new one. The lights were all already accented in there, but we replaced them with bright white bulbs. Refinished the floors. The gray kind of sticks out. It's very nice, very modern. There's the outside view again, and you can see the accent wall for the dining room, which we'll go to next. And here's the dining room before, and there's this ugly tile, no character to it, no accent color. The floor just looks awful. The kitchen, you can see into it in the living room with that accent wall, and we went with green. And for the backsplash in the kitchen, you can kind of see it there. We should have did that in the bathroom. And here's the dining room. We added a very modern floor tile, gray. There's the island. You see that backsplash? That's what would have been really nice in the bathroom to match. Crystal light from IKEA, pretty cheap. So here's the kitchen before. The countertops were not that good. Again, we could have got pretty good money for this apartment still, but remodeling it, get an extra $400 a month. That's $4,800 extra a year. This is probably a $20,000 remodel. So in 4 years, the owner makes his money back, and then he could just, bring in the cash. You see these old appliances. These are white appliances. These won't do. There's a dishwasher, stove, range hood, and fridge. And for a 2-bedroom, you don't want a fridge that's just a single door freezer, a single door fridge. You want a bigger one. The kitchen cabinets are already decent condition. So we'll keep those. Now here's what it came out to look like. And you see that obviously the floors are refinished too. And let's take a closer look. And so it's the same kitchen cabinets. Everything else is different though. And you see those modern appliances. And then we also added, for the range hood above the stove, we added a microwave. And the backsplash is just, we love the backsplash. There's a picture of the dishwasher too. It has character. It's, you know, it's unique. Now, for the last thing I want to show you is this closet. It's in the living room, and you can see the flooring is really bad on the left. On the right, you could barely see the new flooring. But what we did was, those are the same shelving that was there. I guess the previous tenant put IKEA, so we just had it painted white, and the walls yellow. And this is all from this designer. And you can see the bad flooring there too. And you might not be able to tell, but the light was just one of those pull string. We actually added an accent, whatever you call it, the light that goes into the wall that's flush into the ceiling. So that's the remodel we just recently did. If you like the video, please like it. Please subscribe if you aren't a subscriber already. And I will be doing these videos periodically whenever I have a remodel that I get to do. Sometimes I get to get a little side work. My main job is an apartment manager, but I do side work for a couple owners that like how I could get cheap labor, but do make their apartments look good, and then they rent them out themselves. But it's fun for me because I get to see the before and after, like I did in this video. And that's it. Thanks, and have a good day.